Hey guys, today I'm working with a Maytag HE washer, Super Capacity Plus. I've got some towels down in there. It's just getting started sensing and filling up with water. I do these real quick videos so you can see everything I list up here is working perfect, in excellent condition. When you get it home, plug it in, it's going to work great. So we'll come back as this thing progresses through its cycle here, show you that everything's working good, and move the clothes over to the dryer and show you the dryer. We have switched over to the wash cycle. It's still adding a little bit of water here and there as it auto senses those towels, but just about full submersion on those guys there. That's going to be the wash cycle. We'll come back, let you hear that it drains, and then the final spin cycle. You can see it spins nice and fast, smooth, sounds great. Alright, we've made it through the wash and rinse cycle. Now it's draining all that water out. You can hear it draining nice and fast there. So you know that drain pump's working good. Next will be the final spin, so I'll let it get up to full spin speed and we'll come back. Alright, with the final spin on the spin cycle. You see it getting up to speed there. One thing that's really nice about these HE machines, they spin so fast and extract so much water, it cuts your drying time in half, which is part of the HE designation. See, nice and smooth. Sounds great. Then it kicks the drain on to capture that last little bit of water. So I'm going to let this go ahead and finish up. We'll move those clothes over and show you the dryer heating and operating perfectly. Okay, I've got those clothes moved over to the dryer, letting them run on time dry, high heat. And I'm going to show you with my heat gun here that it is in fact heating up like it's supposed to. So right in between those two red dots, you're going to get a surface temperature measurement. So it's about 82 degrees Fahrenheit. You see as you shine it on different things, it changes, about 77 there. So we'll go ahead and open this up. You see right inside that tube there, plenty of heat coming out of that heating element tube. The heating element's right back behind here. Heat comes up and out this little tube, heats the inside of your dryer up. The inside of your dryer will get anywhere from about 95 up to 195. And that's just going to depend on what you have this setting on here. So you've got high heat, air dry, no heat, low heat, which would be for like delicates and things like that. Then you also have automatic. You can just set it and let it do its thing and you're good to go. You can also hear that it's running nice and smooth. Sounds great. I'll go ahead and get these listed up for sale. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out. I do appreciate you taking the time to watch my video. Thanks and have a great day.